Welcome back. In this video, I am going to talk about design and name the mascot for International Day of Yoga. The Ministry of Ayush invite concept and design for the mascot of the International Day of Yoga, which is observed annually on the 21st of June. Since the year 2015, when the United Nations General Assembly (UNGA) took the historic decision to declare 21st June as the International Day of Yoga, this day has been celebrated all over the world with a lot of excitement. With the demonstrated benefits of yoga towards immunity building and stress relief, there is a necessity to utilize the occasion of the International Day of Yoga to reinstate this benefit in the mind of people. Therefore, the Ministry of Ayush has taken the decision to announce a mascot for the IDY International Day of Yoga on the eve of IDY 2021 and invites entries for a mascot design and name from all Indian citizen agencies and interested organization within India. The last date for submission is 20 January 2021 and the prize for the winning entry is 1 lakh. The result of the competition will be announced by the 15th of February 2021. In case of any delay due to unforeseen circumstances, any updates to the competition timeline, terms and guidelines will be communicated through the My Government platform and or the official channel of the Ministry of Ayush. Now I am going to talk about the terms and condition, submission guidelines and evaluation criteria. First of all, talking about the terms and condition. The competition will be open for submission from date of posting on My Government platform till 20 January 2021. The competition is open to all Indian citizen, agency or organization within India. All entry for the competition must be submitted on the official website of My Government. Entries submitted through any other medium or mode will not be considered as valid entry. All entries submitted as a part of the competition would be the intellectual property of the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India and the competition participants forego any right over it. The prize-winning design of the mascot is meant to be used by the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India for promotional and display purpose, and also for any other initiative as may be deemed appropriate by the ministry. The entries including the mascot name and design must not contain any provocative, objectionable or inappropriate content. Please note that the design proposed by the mascot must be original and should not violate any provision of the Indian Copyright Act 1957. And any instances of plagiarism will not be tolerated. If found in violation, participants may be penalized as per law. The ministry does not bear any responsibility for copyright violation or infringement of intellectual property rights carried by the participant. Participants should make sure that their My Government profile is accurate and updated as the information provided will be used by the ministry for further communication. This includes details such as name, photo, phone number, email address and any other such information. Entries for incomplete profile may not be considered for evaluation upon the discretion of the ministry. The ministry reserves the right to cancel or amend all or any part of the competition and or the terms and condition and evaluation criteria. Any changes to term and guidelines governing the competition will be updated on My Government platform or the official ministry communication channel. Participants bear the responsibility to keep themselves informed of any such changes and update. The participant represent and warrant that they will comply with all applicable Indian law. By registering for participation in the competition, the participant warrants that they have complied with the terms and conditions and any other accompanying competition guidelines. Competition entries are original including the name and the mascot design. Their entry does not infringe upon any intellectual property rights and copyright. The selected entry will be awarded a cash prize of 1 lakh. Best 10 entries would be provided with appreciation letter. The result of the competition will be declared on the My Government portal and through the official communication channel of the ministry. Now talking about the submission guideline, participants should provide a name for the mascot. Participants should upload the mascot design in JPEG or PNG format only. The shortlisted entries for evaluation may be required to submit the design in the editable and open file format. Participants should not imprint, watermark or mention any other personal identifier such as name or any other detail on the uploaded entry. A small description should be provided to explain the mascot concept and rationale. The file size should not exceed 2 MB with maximum 4 images. Now talking about the evaluation criteria. All entry and submission will be assessed for award by the Selection and Evaluation Committee instituted by the Ministry. Entries will be judged on the basis of creativity, originality, composition, simplicity, visual impact, and on how well they communicate and promote the International Day of Yoga brand. The decision of the Selection and Evaluation Committee will be final. The Ministry would have the right over all the entries for uses in a way felt appropriate by it. Important links related to that website is given in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.